Greetings from the SCIENTUIT. Following are the few updates as of 19th April 2020. National Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA is using a game to classify and map the coral systems in oceans. NASA has been working to develop a perfect ecosystem for imaging the vast coral ecosystems around the world, with the help of different sensors and other equipment using drones and aircrafts. Under this project, a vast amount of data has been gathered from oceans around the world. To use the gathered data, it needs to be classified first. NASA has given this task to the people of the world through a game that helps the space organization to classify and map the coral systems. Anyone, even a first grader, can play this game and sort through these data to help us map one of the most beautiful forms of life we know of, said Ved Chirayath, the Principal Investigator of this project. Home Ministry of India says Zoom is not safe for video conferencing. A 16-page advisory was released by the ministry's Cyber Coordination Center following a similar warning by India's nodal cybersecurity agency, the Computer Emergency Response Team of India. Following a massive hack, reports have that personal data of 20 million Aptoide users are leaked. Aptoide is a third-party app market for Android. Nubia Play, Nubia's mid-range smartphone to launch on April 21st. Killed by Google is a website by Cody Ogden, which showcases all things shut down and discontinued by Google over the past decade. Recently, Ogden tweeted a screenshot of a mail that was sent to him by a representative of Google. The email showed that the website creator got a job offer from Google as his experience lines up with some of the opportunities. Coronavirus or COVID-19 can be curbed by practicing social distancing. Always cover your mouth and nose with a mask or a handkerchief. Also, please make sure that you dispose the mask properly after use. Avoid going out and stay indoors as much as possible. Wash your hands with soap frequently, and also keep an alcohol-based sanitizer handy. Last but not the least, kindly avoid touching your face. Let's stay together, let's stay united, we can overcome this. That's a wrap for now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can ping us on WhatsApp at 900-8766-070 for your daily dose of tech and science. We're available 24/7 on all the social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can find us with @thescientuit, which is spelled as THESCIENTUIT. Stay happy, stay connected, stay techie. Cheers!